I'm Skip Jeffries, back in the kitchen again, here with a stuffing meatloaf recipe that I found online, chicken flavored stuffing. And then I'm gonna mix in, it's about a half a cup of chicken stock, add a pound. I'm gonna substitute ground beef with ground chicken. I'm going for a chicken dinner type of theme for this meatloaf here. So, and I'm gonna add, I've got some dried onions that I sell. We're gonna add that to the mix too. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a quarter teaspoon of thyme, quarter teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of garlic, a quarter teaspoon of rosemary, quarter teaspoon of, I've got white pepper here, and then roughly about a teaspoon of onion, a half teaspoon of sage, and then a half teaspoon of parsley flakes. Then we're going to add in 2 eggs, third cup gravy. Give it a good hand mixing, hence the rubber gloves. I'm gonna put it in the oven, let it cook for an hour. And pans. Oh yeah, you can see the stuffing in there. Go ahead and plate this up. And a little bit of mashed potatoes, some green beans, a little gravy on the mashed potatoes and meatloaf. Alrighty folks, we're gonna give her a taste test here. Chicken stuffing meatloaf. That is pretty good. As my brother would say, winner winner chicken dinner. That is really good. It almost tastes like a chicken dinner.